Assalamualaikum. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We'll start with one real simple stuff. Tell me now. This one you just need to tell me the answer. Don't need to calculate, huh? But you got to give me a fraction, lah. Okay, what is sine x?
Sine is 4/5.
4/5. Okay, what's the formula? So remember now.
Opposite over hypotenuse.
So what's the answer?
3/5.
3/5. Okay, what's cosine x?
Is 4/5.
4/5. Okay, good. And tangent x?
Tangent is 3/4.
3/4. Okay, good. So what do you call this topic? Do you know?
Trigonometry.
Okay, well done. So there's two parts to trigo. One is the basic ones, and there's a further trigonometry. Okay, but that might be. Start with this. Can you try question number 7? I've already marked for you. You want to find the distance AD from here to here, and the distance AB here to here. You can see clearly. You want me to make it bigger?
Yeah, a bit bigger.
Okay. You try, okay?
AD, the angle is 27, right?
Yeah, 27. BDC. Yeah. What are you using? Are you using
I'm
the
using
basic one?
what? Find it. Wait,
You want to find
I'm finding BD first.
BD first. Okay.
By 5 meter. Wait, what am I doing? Sorry.
No problem, no problem.
AD is 34.1.
34.1. How is 34.1? Can you show me? Can you explain to me?
Wait,
AD, right? AD, right? What's your method? What's your method? There's a few ways you can do this, right? Because you've learned
Wait, it's 73. 73.3.
73. Yeah, how you get it? You explain to me.
Basically, I take cos 47 equals to 50 over AD.
Oh, no. Cos 47. Now I'm going to shift. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse.
Yeah,
Right? Adjacent, but you don't have adjacent. You got
adjacent is 50.
adjacent. No, opposite is 50. Okay. So that means I got a flip for you to be able to see it. Let me just see.
Oh.
Yeah. Can you see now? If you're taking cos 47, cosine 47, you are this is opposite of 47. Correct. Adjacent must be touching it. So you don't have adjacent. So what you can do is actually to find AC first. Once you find AC, you can even use Pythagoras theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. But you have also learned the sine rule. Have you learned the sine rule?
Yeah.
What was the formula for sine rule?
Signing for finding length, right?
Yeah, they have something over something equals to something over something. Do you remember?
Uh,
Okay.
50, wait, sine 50 over 47 equals to AC, sine AC over 47.
Just write down what you see again. Okay, the formula is basically this. A over sine A, or you can flip it, no problem. No problem to flip it. Is equals to B over sine B. So
Yeah,
just now you were saying what? What over what?
I was saying that, yeah. But I flip on top.
No problem, no problem. Okay, we flip. Okay, then you were saying sine 47.
Yeah,
Sine 47
over 50.
over 50. Okay, is correct. Is equals to
Sine for another 47 over
you get another
AC.
47 here, is it?
Yeah,
Okay, why don't you just go straight to, okay, this one first of all is not 47. This down here
wait,
90 degrees, this one 90 degrees, right? So 180 minus 90 minus 47, this is 43.
43.
So okay, you want to put sine 43, you want to find this one.
Yeah,
Okay, can, okay, you don't want to find straight. You see there's this angle also,
mm-hmm.
and the opposite we call this x. You want to find x, right?
Yeah,
Okay, so you can put it like that, x over sine what? What is this angle? 90, right?
yeah,
Right, x over sine 90 is equals to, down here you say 50, right? 50 over sine 47. Does it make sense to you, this one?
yep,
Okay, then you bring the sine over the other side, it goes up, right? The seesaw. So can you find out what's x then? This is the fastest way.
okay. 68.366.
Okay, well done. Are you clear or not clear?
I'm clear.
Yeah,
I just woke up, that's why, like,
no
a
problem.
bit. Yeah.
Busy, yeah. Your
No,
brother
no,
also, Tido also.
my brother, yeah, tidur. He knocked out.
Means you all after school, you all take a nap lah.
Yeah, because he had remedial lah.
Okay, we try now. Finding AB. Maybe you tell me of your method first. How are you going to find AB? There's a few ways. There's a very fast way. You can use, let me see. You can use sign method. So this same method you can also use. That's the fastest one. Or you can use other methods, no problem.
Cosine method.
You can use cosine method. Okay, what's the cosine method? Huh?
So basically, you find like the two lengths, so AD and BD, right? After that, like you also have to find the angle down, but I think the sine method is faster.
Sine method, how you going to use sine method?
Oh, sine method. Sine method, you take AB right over the AB sine
Okay.
ADC.
AB over ADC.
Sine
A,
ADC.
okay, so you want to find the whole thing or only down here? A to B or A to C?
A to B.
So you cannot take ADC, right? You got to take
Yeah,
ADB.
ADB.
ADB, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, and then equals to
Uh, equals to BD. No, equals to what is that? AD over ABD over sine
okay.
ABD.
Okay, so you can do, you try to do.
Yeah.
You have this angle, huh?
Mm.
You know this angle?
Oh yeah.
What is it?
On 90 minus 43 minus 27.
Okay, good.
21.1.
Okay, well, 21.15 or 21.1.2, okay, no problem. Okay, so you're okay. I think it looks as if you're okay. We just revise a few more just for right?
Yeah.
The more difficult one first. I should have gone to the slightly easier one first. So how are you at Trigo? Are you okay?
Yeah. Trigo is like one of my strengths.
Oh, one of
but
your
sometimes
strength.
I get confused.
Is one of your strength.
Yeah.
Yeah. We try this one. 16.
16.
Think through a strategy, yeah. Think through the strategy. In fact, this is a topic before they learn the sine rule, the cosine rule. Before they learn all that, they can do this with a simple sokatwa. Can you just try to solve? Don't
Yeah.
use don't use the complex one. You try to solve. Can you use sokatwa to find this? You think you can?
Can make it into two triangle, right?
Okay, so you're gonna I cut for you, huh? Once you cut like that, two triangle, you're not using sokatwa. You're using no problem, but you can do it, no problem. You're gonna cut a
Yeah.
sokatwa can only be used for right angle triangle, right?
Oh, I mean, what is that? Cut from A to C.
A to C. Okay.
Eh,
Here.
what? But if you want to find B, C, D, right?
Yeah. So imagine we make it more challenging for us. We can only use the simplest trigo. Can I?
Yeah. I what's that? I'm using my laptop to like edit everything, like draw.
Okay. You're drawing on the screen. Huh? You can draw
Yeah.
on this screen if you want to. But I don't see anything now. It's okay. So long as you can see it, okay.
Yeah, this one is quite difficult.
Okay. So imagine now we cannot use any of the rules. We only can make a right angle triangle. Can you make this into right angle triangle? I can by
Uh
drawing like that,
oh,
also drawing like that. Can? So now it's a rectangle here. Lah. If you want to use this method, this is a question actually for those who have not gone to the next level, but it's okay, no problem. You can try and see.
okay. Uh, B, C, D. See over here.
A little bit long, lah. A little bit long. Okay, I won't stop you from using any method. I just wanted to trigger your mind. You can use any method you want. Okay.
Okay. Hypotenuse over juice. Okay.
Okay, what's your angle for BCD?
I'm not done yet. Still
Okay.
confused a bit.
Okay, so you need help.
Yeah, I got
Okay,
math error.
okay. So, okay, this one now here. Do you agree that this length from here to here is the same length as from here to here? Do you agree?
Yeah, 34.
Okay. But the whole thing is 34. Now, if
Oh,
I can find this one down here, I take 34 minus this, I get the one down here. Right? So which is the same as this one now. So I'm going to use, okay, I have this angle. I have hypotenuse. I want to find adjacent. So I can use cosine, right? Cosine 60 is equal to, you can call this x, x over 21. So you find that. Once you have found that, you got this. Now you need to use sine from here. Sine, this thing is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. How? Okay. Nah? Can you try to find that? I mean, just
23.5.
23.5 for this one.
No,
Oh,
the other,
23.5 this one, yeah. Okay, well done. So 23.5. So now you use sine because you want to find this angle, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So you go straight to uh, sine, you want to call it x, the BCD, no problem, is equals to 23.5 over 25. And then you inverse sine it.
70.05.
Well done. Okay. How will you find BC? BC is from here to here. You know how
BC?
to find BC?
Yeah.
Okay. How, okay. I just clear it for you, okay? I'm afraid you might be okay. Better, or you want it? You want
Oh,
the
better, better.
better?
— 18.2. BC equals to 18.2. 26.7.
26. Okay, well done. Well done. We do one other one. With this one.
Oh, which one?
21. 21. Make it big.
We need remote. In your face.
Please scroll down a bit.
Scroll down.
Yeah, a bit.
Up or down?
Down. I mean up. Sorry.
Okay. You understand what they're saying down here?
Yeah.
Okay. So you understand what I'm saying. You have a strategy to solve this?
I think I can manage it.
Okay, good.
Eh, is it over like that? So Is the area starting with a 0?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, wait. Because I was confused, sorry.
No problem, no problem.
0.8667.
Well done, well done, well done. That means okay. So you found the angle on this side, right? You found this angle here.
Yeah.
23 point something. Correct? Okay, I think if you can get 0.87, 0.8666, you are on the right track. Okay, that means we'll go to the next one, which is actually the further Trigo. We try to complete this by we go on speed. I think. Can you try to see whether can you prove that the length of AC is 17? How are you going to do that? You don't need to do just tell me how you're going to do that. You're going to prove how can you prove that AC is 17?
Pythagoras theorem.
You got that. So you're gonna have this squared plus this squared plus this squared, and then you're gonna square root it, right? So now down here, can you tell us what is the value of cosine CAB? You just give a fraction, right? AC is really 70, right? AC 70. This is 70. Don't need to find the decimal. I just want a fraction. Value of CAB, cosine
A over
CAB.
15.
Sorry?
A over 15.
8 over 15. Okay. 15.
No, A over 17.
Well done, well done. Okay, then move on to the next one. Okay, sine CAD. Sine CAD.
Sine CAD.
If you are stuck, tell me stuck. I will show you a short. I'll show you a.
Stop.
Okay. So now I want you have your calculator with you.
Yeah.
Can you now try what is sine 30? You have the answer. You don't need to tell me. You have the answer. Okay, yeah. You have the answer. I want you now to take sine 150. Is the answer the same? Not the
Oh,
same.
150.
150, 150. Is it the same?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to do another one. Let's see now. Sine 70. You got the answer? And sine 110. Are the answers the same?
Yeah.
So what is the rule for sine that you can tell me?
Wait, huh? Some numbers got different value, asym value.
You add these two, what does it become?
Oh, I don't really get it.
You add 30 plus 150, 180.
Oh,
110 plus 70 is 180. So if I ask you, what is sine 20 equals to? You can tell me that sine 20 is equals to sine. Add up must be.
sine 160.
Okay, you check calculator. You see whether it's true or not.
Yeah.
So that means if you have two angles, they add up to 180 degrees, the sine will be the same. Another way of saying it is sine x is the same as 180 minus x. Same thing. You get it?
Yeah.
Okay, now this angle you want to find sine, right? You want to find sine, you probably need a calculator, need to find many stuff. But can you find another angle that you can add to this angle to make 180 degrees? Can or not?
Yeah.
There is an angle beside it, right?
Yeah.
Now what is sine CAB? You tell me. Sine CAB.
Sine CAB.
You just tell me. Don't need to use calculator. Just tell me.
Sine
Fraction.
CAB is opposite over 15 over 17.
So that's your answer lah. CAD is the same also. Because if
Okay.
this is 20 degrees or 160 degrees, then 30 is 150. Because they add up to 180 degrees. How you get it?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay. So since we are on this topic, can we now try cosine? Cosine 30, is it equal to cosine 150? Can you try cosine 30 and cosine 150? Are they the same? If not, what's the difference?
Negative.
So you take note of that. Just take note of that. So what do you mean take note of that? So next time they ask you find cosine CAD. You find this cosine, you add a negative. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
So I just take note of that. Now we see whether. So find the exact value of sine ACD. ACD, ACD. What's the exact value? CAD we found 15/17, right?
Yep.
I'll just write down your answers here. Maybe you might need to use them. Can see, no? Can see the question? No?
Yeah. Of 59.
What is the answer? 59.
0.0365.
But they want it with the sign, no? So you don't inverse sign.
Okay, so
Or you tell me step by step what you did.
I did like my second method, like
Okay, what is it?
I find out the sign CAD, right? I find out what CAD, then I minus, then I divide by 2.
Hold on, hold on. You find out CAD. What
Minus, then divide by 2.
minus what?
Minus 180. 180 minus that.
180 minus this. You 180 minus this one or what?
Yeah, minus the angle, then you divide by 2.
Okay, so you got this angle 50 plus, is it?
60 something.
Okay, so you minus, you get this one, and then what happened?
Then after that, divide by 2.
Why you divide by 2?
To find R&D isosceles.
Oh, isosceles. Let us check whether it's isosceles. Can you find, okay, this is 15, right? We have found out this is 17. We have made assumption is 17, but we don't know it's 17. I will prove to you it's not 17. Okay, can you now find out using Pythagoras theorem what is dB and dB? You agree it's 39 square minus 15 square? And square root it?
36.
What do you get? 36.
No, I square root it also, 36.
36. 36 minus 8, what do you get?
28.
You cannot add 28 now down here. It's not isosceles. But it's okay because you want to find sine ACD. ACD is here. So you need this 28. Actually, you don't need to find this one. They already give you already. What's the formula? The formula of, you have, okay, I use your method. Sine ACD over 28 is equals to sine CAD over 39. You agree? No?
Yeah.
Do you know what sine CAD? Do you find out?
Sine CAD is, yeah, that.
So you can find already. You use this value. Just now it was what? 15 over 17, right?
Yeah.
You try. Can you get the answer? Are you confused now?
No.
No, huh?
39.3.
But they want sign. That means you leave the sign. Don't invert sign. They want with the sign. You just bring this 28 over 28 times 15 over 17 over 39. You get it? Don't find ACD. They didn't ask you to find ACD. They want you to find sine ACD. Sine ACD. Sorry?
You said 28 times 15 over 17.
Yes. Then the answer you must divide by 39.
40,
The answer should be less than 1.
1.5.
Cannot be. Okay. So that means your calculation now submit. So let us try. You put into your calculator like that. 58. Okay, before that.
0.63.
Yes, correct. So you know where your error is now?
Yeah.
Where is it?
I divide 39 divided by the number I got.
You take 39 divided the number. Okay.
39 divided, yeah.
Okay, so I just show you. You know every number can be divided by 1, right? So your teacher told you up, down, down, up. Up, down. If you ever have a fraction on top, down, down, up. You see this 28, I bring it up, is 28 over 1, right? Then because you have to times 15 over 7, now you have a complex situation here. But we can simplify this. How do we simplify this? We use up, down, down, up. That means these two numbers are on top. So that means it's 28 times 15. And then this one 17 goes down. Okay. All right. 39 also down. And 1 goes up. So you can try, you try to do this 28 times 15. Your answer divide by 17, divide by 39. You will get 0.633 or something like that.
Yeah, same thing.
So I'm going to test you now. You tell me, let's say I have like that. So you are change this to what?
2 times 4,
2 times 4.
3 times 7 or 1. That looks like 1.
Okay, 7.
Or 7.
Like that. Confirm.
Yeah. Yeah.
We use now the method I told you. Up, down, down, up. Then I see 2 is up, very good. 4 is up, supposed to be down lah. This one must go down. Okay, 7 must go up. We try again. Remember up, down, down, up. Okay. 2, 3. Hold on. Now you look at the bigger one is the, okay, 6, 7. Okay. So what is up? What is down?
2 times 7 over 3 times 6.
Well done. Well done. Okay, this is one way. Sometimes they might trick you to do like that. Hold on. So this one how? This is the big one. So you do for this one, you can add the number 1 to one of them. You know where to add the one? Down here. Then you're not confused now. Okay, so what's on top? What's below?
3.
You know?
4.
0.6.
Yeah.
Up, down, down, up. Okay, one last one. Down, last one. What's up? What's down?
4 is up. 5 is up.
Good. And 3 is down. So this one, you know, if you say you can put the one down here, up, down, down, up. Okay. You learned this method, right? Your teacher taught you, right? Maybe you're using a lot of calculator. So yeah. But anyway. Okay. So now this one. Very simple. You inverse sign. Inverse sign, and then you tell me what are the two possible values. One is what you have found. The other one, nearest whole number lah. Nearest whole number.
31.
31 by some, almost 32, right?
Yeah.
You take it at 32. The other one is what?
Wait. 0.009.
No. Don't worry. Try again. 32 is one of them. Remember the sign rule? Sign, you forgot. Okay, remember that? I just showed you this one. Sine 20 is the same as sine what?
Oh.
They must add up to 180. So take 180 minus 20, 160. So now you got sine 32. This is the same as
Sine 100 and 148.
Okay, you just try. Can you try sine 148? Do you get the same thing?
Yeah.
So that means there's two angles. There's two possible values. One is 32, the other one is 180 minus the 32. You get this answer. You're clear now? Clear? Remember, sine, you will always have two values now. Cosine, you will have one value because the other value is negative. So there's only one value for cosine. Okay. They want you to find the value of the largest angle. You can use one single formula. You have learned this formula. Not the sine.
Cosine formula.
What's the cosine formula? Can you tell me?
8 square plus 10 a square plus b square minus 2ab sine c.
Okay, good. Cosine, not sine, cosine. So you got to use that one.
Huh?
Which one do you think is the biggest? Biggest one is which angle? You tell me which one do you think is the big one?
PQR.
Good. Okay, so we call this x. Okay, now use that formula.
Okay.
You're okay, right?
Yeah. 1/8.
What you mean? That means the angle is.
Wait.
You got the inverse cosine.
Wait, let me check my formula too.
Sure.
I forgot to do one thing.
What is it? Yes, cosine.
Forgot to put cosine.
Oh, okay. Okay.
$82.8.
Well done. Well done. Well done. Okay, we do one more question again.
Yeah.
Slightly over is okay, right? Okay. We try this one. Okay. This is a triangle ABC. This is O is the center inside the center. And then we are supposed to find the length OC. The length OC is this one. Maybe you wanna first thing you wanna do is you tell me what you're gonna use.
Sine rule.
Sine rule. So can you tell me how you're going to use sine rule?
I'm gonna find the angle first.
Oh, okay. Actually, you can use another one. Whenever okay. So whenever you have a triangle, I just draw for you so that you know the pattern. You don't need to waste too much time. Let's say now you have like that this triangle. If you have one side, two side, three side, you can find any angle here. Okay.
Yeah.
If you have now, let's say now these two sides plus the angle in between, you can find opposite angle, opposite side using cosine rule. The cosine rule is now, if you have three sides, you can find any angle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
And then if you see a sandwich down here, then you can find opposite. Not only can you find opposite, you can find area using half AB sine. The sine rule, you can use that to find the area.
Uh, 6.9.
6.9, well done, well done. Okay, so you found OC 6.9. Can you find BAO? BAO. Just indicate you have found 6.9 here.
It's an isosceles, right?
No, you cannot assume that. Must not
Okay.
assume that. Let's go to that.
I'm a bit stuck, yeah.
So let us see. Hold on. Have these two opposite each other. Now they want you to find BAO. BAO, which is here. Correct? But you have this one also.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Sine rule.
Yes, sine. So you have two opposite sine and the angles. You can
Yeah.
use a sine rule. Maybe this is not fair to you because it's on the screen. I think if you have the physical paper, it would be better.
Yeah. I don't know why I got 0.011.
Zero. Did you inverse sine?
Oh, uh, I got math error.
Okay, we go step by step. Did you in your final one? Okay, first you put 7.8. Am I correct to say this? You wanted to find A, sorry. So sine A, sine this angle, right? The bow angle. Okay, this one I call it X. Is equals to sine 134 over 12.5. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So now you bring over, you get 7.8 sine 134.
Oh,
Can you
I did wrongly.
what? Oh, you put down.
Yeah.
Remember, it goes up seesaw lah. You always go up the seesaw.
25.9.
Well done. 25.9. Okay, I got 26 point. Okay, never mind. I got 26.67. But okay, we try again. 7. You do like that. Okay, you press inverse sine first. Inverse sine. You press inverse sine, right? And then you do like that. You type in like that. You can even no, you must don't close it. You must divide like that. So divide by 12.5. Then you see you get the answer. Then close bracket.
I got math error.
You try again. Okay, inverse. Yours is see. Let me see your calculator. You should be. Is it same? Okay, you press inverse sine. Yours you press inverse sine first, what? Yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then open bracket.
7.8.
7.8 times sine 134.
Yeah.
Divide by 12.5. Close bracket. Then equal.
Oh, 26.67.
Yes, well done. Okay, you know how to put it like that, okay? You put it like that in a nice, you must, if you go and close the bracket here, it's a different answer. Because it means only this is inverse sine and divide by 12.5. So you must remember down here now, when we inverse sine of the whole thing, we're going to inverse sine. Okay, the last one. One more. Last one. Okay, now they say, find the area of triangle ABC. ABC. Can you find the area?
Yeah.
How are you going to find the area? Remember, you need to look up for, it's the same as the cosine rule. Half AB sine C. Remember, that's the formula for, you need to find sandwich angle between two sides that you know. So let's say you know this angle, the side, you know this side plus this angle, you can find already. So which are the two sides? Can you see the two sides, you know? Can see
Yeah.
now?
Yeah.
Do you know this angle? You can find out now. You know
Yeah.
this angle, you already found out this angle, you said 26 point something. Then you know this one. So you can find this one. Then you do a half A.
19.24.
Sorry?
19.24.
Okay, good. So so you must plus 37 to 19.24.
Yeah.
And then remember the formula.
Yeah.
Okay.
58.7.
Well done. So I just want to ask you one last question. You're learning all this. When I was your age, I asked my teacher why we are learning all this nonsense. Is it nonsense to you? No? You think there's any value in learning this? I asked my teachers right after JC. I went to JC. I asked them why we're learning. They just tell me, Shahid, don't talk about this now. We discuss after exam. But they don't know why lah. Do you know why? Lah? You think through our next session we discuss. You must know because otherwise you have no meaning in doing all this. You're doing because I do for exam what to do. Yeah, but actually it's meaning. So I will touch on that next I think it's almost 10 o'clock. So I'll see you next Thursday. Okay.
Yeah.
So if your brother is asleep, you just continue.
What?
If your brother is asleep, you continue. Also like
Oh,
normal.
wait.
So wait, okay. But I'll see him on Saturday.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye. Waalaikumsalam.